Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you some difference between these really confusing connectors for Nissan and Infiniti models. So if for some reason in your car your connector is destroyed or it is missing, always you will have the sensor, okay? So showing these connectors side to side, as you can see, the difference, well, the first difference will be very obvious. It will be the color. This one is black with green and the other one is totally green. Okay, the difference will be the guides. The guides on the green connector, you will find one guide in the middle and the other guide in the bottom part of the connector. In the black connector, you will find one guide on the middle and the other guide in the upper area. Okay, I brought this sensor here. This is an oil pressure sensor for Nissan, but it's basically the same connector that use some crankshaft and camshaft sensor for V6 engine like the Murano Ultima in Nissan. And looking here, this guide, as you can see, one guide is in the middle and the other guide is in the upper area. So, as explained before, it will be the black connector because the green connector has middle and down. This one, middle and up, middle and up. So this will be the black connector. I'm going to show you how does it work, these connectors. Okay, so you have to push, align the slots, the guides, and you push until it clicks. Okay, to release this connector you have to push in a horizontal direction. This green tab you push and then you can remove it. Okay, also I just want to show you this other connector. As you can see, it's very similar to these connectors, and I was testing with different sensor and it looks like the same connector. Actually, it works for the same sensors. The only difference is how it's pretty much the locking system. This one lock on a lock in a horizontal way, and this one it will be more like a traditional connector. So I'm testing with the same sensor, and as you can see, it clicks as well. So this connector, it will work as well. And to release it will be the traditional way. Just push from the top and you remove it. Okay, I hope you understand now the difference between all these Nissan connectors when you don't have the sample, and you can find when you have the sensor. I have pasted in the description the links for this connector if you would like to buy from us, or if you would like to buy any connector, you can go to our website www.godaca.com. Thank you. Bye bye.